Good morning, students. Today our new topic is trigonometric functions of multiples and submultiples of numbers. Multiples, we are knowing that if it is 2x and 3x, these are called multiples, and if we are having x by 2 or x by 3, these are submultiples. Now we will be seeing the formula that we have to go with. So one formula we are knowing, that sine x plus y equal to sine x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now in place of this y, if I put x, so it will become what? Sin x plus x. That means here this will be sin x cos x plus cos x sin x. That means this is equal to how much? This is sin x cos x, this is sin x cos x, this is 2 sin x cos x, means sin 2x. Formula is 2 sin x cos x. First formula. This is first multiple. Likewise, we can have cos x plus y. Cos x plus y is what? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This means if I put this y as x, so cos x plus x I can write. So cos x minus sin x sin x. This means cos 2x equal to how much? It is cos square x minus sin square x. This is one formula. I can put this cos square x as 1 minus sin square x. Another formula is, when I put this as 1 minus sin square x, this will become another formula also I can have. If I put this as 1 minus cos square x, so here what it will become? So for cos 2x we are having these three formula. One more we are having, that we will be seeing. We can represent sin 2x in terms of 10. So this one is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. This is the formula of sin 2x in terms of 10. We can also represent this cos 2x in terms of 10. So how can we represent? The fourth formula that we can see for cos 2x, here is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. This is the formula for cos 2x. So this is how we derive the formula from the given formulas. There is no need to derive this. We have to just remember the formula for cos 2x and sin 2x. We have to just remember these formulae. Now tan 2x. Tan 2x equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. How to remember it? Here it will be plus and here it will be minus. If you convert into sin and cos, we will be getting 2 sin x cos x upon cos square x minus sin square x, and the formula will be sin 2x upon cos 2x. Now we come to the next part, sin 3x. Sin 3x, just to remember it, we start with 3, so 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x, here these two will be getting interchanged, so 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is there. So tan 3x tan 3x is how much? Tan cube x minus tan x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Let us check the formula. Sorry, one mistake. Here it is 3 tan x and here tan cube x. 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. This is correct. How can we have it? We can write this as tan 2x plus x. So tan 2x plus x, we can just put it here and then we can find the value. So tan 3x will be coming, 3 tan x will be coming first. So next one. Now we have to just see the sub multiple. If in place of x we are having 2x, we are having x only. This is sin x. Sin x we can write as sin 2 into what? X by 2. So this is 2 and let it be some theta. So this is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and these x by 2 are called sub multiples of the angle. So whenever x is there we can use like this. Likewise we can have cos x equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, or 1 minus tan square x by 2. So in place of x everywhere we will be getting x by 2, and this one we can also be written as this. So this is the formula. Now we can have it for tan x also. So tan x can be, we are having 2 tan x by 2, and here it will be plus and here it will be minus. Now we will be starting the exercise by using these formulae. A little fast we will be. This is exercise 3.7. First question. From question number 1 to 5, just you have to expand the terms. Sin x, cos 2x it is there. Write the formula, put the values, you will be getting the answer. So 1 to 5 I will not do, you have to do it. If you will be finding problem, you ask. So we will be starting with question number 6. First part is cos 2x plus 2 sin square x equal to 1. This we have to prove. Now here we can write this as 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x. This is LHS. So here these two will be getting cancelled, equal to 1 equal to RHS. So simple, in one line the question will be solved. Now the second one, third part. The third part is cos 2x upon cos x minus sin x equal to cos x plus sin x we have to prove. What we have to do? We have to simply write the formula here. This is cos square x minus sin square x upon cos x minus sin x, and here we can write LHS equal to this here a square minus b square formula we can use. We have got this. Now question number 7. So here write the formula. It is 2 sin x cos x upon 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 will be getting cancelled. So 2 sin x cos x upon 2 cos square x, 2 gone, cos x gone. So it is 10x. Second and third part are like this only. You have to just put the formula. I will be doing the fourth part. In this one, we can write this one as sin 2x as 2 sin x cos x, and here this one as the formula is cos square x minus sin square x, because minus is there, so we have to change the sign here. These will be getting cancelled. So what have we got? In the upper side, 2 sin x is common. Now see the 8th part. Here we can use the formula a cube minus b cube. These two will be getting cancelled. This is 1 plus this is sin x cos x we can write. We cannot use the formula here till we are having 2 here. So what we can do, we can write here 1 by 2 and multiply here by 2. See the 9th question. So in this question there is hint that we are having here sin x, and in this one we are not having sin x. So we can do one thing here, we can write LHS and here we can multiply with 2 sin x and divide by 2 sin x, and here rest we can write cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x and cos 8x. Now this, or I can put this one like this, 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x is how much? Sin 2x. Two is already here. Now if I want to use the formula, here I have to multiply by 2 and downside also I have to multiply by 2. So here 2 sin 2x cos 2x, this one you take as theta, and whenever it is 2 sin theta cos theta we double the angle here. So here we write sin 4x. So this is 4 sin x. Now again I can multiply by 2 here and 2 here just to have the formula. Now this one will be, this angle will be getting doubled because this is 2 sin theta cos theta. This 4x you take it to be theta. So this is 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is nothing but again we can multiply by 2. So 2 sin this one will be yes, in the 10th question you can do on your own because just you have to take the LCM and when you will open the bracket you can find the answer there. It is very easy. So we will be doing question number 11. What is there in question number 11? It is given that prove that 1 plus cos square 2x is equal to 2 cos 2 power 4x plus sin 2 power 4x. We have to prove it. Now cos square 2x. What can we do with this? Just think about the formula. We need cos 2 power 4x and this. That we can have it from here. Here 1 plus this I can write as cos square x minus sin square x whole square. This one. It is 1 plus cos square, yes. So what should I do? And here also this can be written as, for 1, this one I can write as cos square x plus sin square x. And one thing is there, you are knowing that 1 square equal to 1. 1 square equal to 1. So this also I can write as in the square form, because 1 square is equal to 1. So 1 square I can put here, and this is cos square 2x. So 1 square is cos square x plus sin square x whole square, and this is cos square x minus sin square x whole square. Now open it. This is the answer. This is equal to RHS. Now the next question that we can have here, question number, okay, this is 12th. I can take some part here. Twelfth question, prove. It is cot x by 2 minus tan x by 2 equal to 2 cot x. Cot x by 2 is what? Cos x by 2. Why? Sin x by 2. This is what? Sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. We can use the formula. So this is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, and here sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. To have the formula here, I can multiply by 2 here and 2 here. 2, because this is x by 2 and x by 2, we have to double this angle, and when we will be doubling this angle, so 2 into x by 2. So what it will be? Cos x. In place of cos 2x, we will write cos x, and here it will be what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 will be sin x, and this is 2 cot x. Now the second part. What can we do here? We can write 1 as Because this is sin x, so here we will be getting 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Because this is x by 2 here, so here also I will use x by 2, because when it is 1 we can use x by 4, we can use x by 2, whatever the angle is, but here it should be sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. This is whole square formula. This one we have got. Better it will be, we should take cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. This one we have got, and this is whole square. Now this square root will go and we will be getting, or write it like this, now take or divide the numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. Here this we can write as 1, we can write as tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1. This is tan x by 2. Here this is 1 minus tan x by 2. And if I multiply with 1 here, then it won't be making any difference. And for 1 I can write as tan pi by 4. So this gives you a formula that tan pi by 4 plus x. Sorry, this is plus x by 2, and that is equal to RHS. That you have to prove it. So this is how we will be doing the questions. So till today we will be doing till here only. So in the next session we will be doing the further questions. Try to do the question from the exercise very fastly. So till your next session, bye bye.